So our group got lysosomes as our organelle, and group members are Claire, Asher, Carlos, and me. What are lysosomes? Lysosomes are membrane-bound organelles that digest waste, excess compounds, and even the cell itself using the digestive enzymes they hold. What is their function? Lysosomes help the cell self-destruct in a process called apoptosis when the cell is too damaged to function, preventing a waste of nutrients and potential infections. A specialized group of lysosomes help with repairing wounds, coagulation, and immune system functions, particularly for high eukaryotes. Eukaryotes are multicellular cells with organs. Their structure and function. Lysosomes are little capsules containing an acid-enzyme mixture. Each each lysosome has a lipid bilayer similar to the cell membrane, a membrane to protect it and transport proteins covering the outside. They digest internal, non-functional organelles and external, like food pathogens, leukocytes, which are white blood cells, and debris. And here are some structures and pictures that Claire drew of lysosomes. And organelles that lysosomes work with. It works with the Golgi apparatus and cell membrane. Products from the enzyme reactions are either released into the cytoplasm to be herded out by the Golgi bodies or stored in the lysosome. Any waste herded out by the Golgi bodies is taken to the cell membrane, which uses its specialized transport proteins to eject the waste in a kind of trash chute. And this is the Golgi apparatus, and this is the cell membrane. It also works with cytoplasm. Lysosomes float around in the cytoplasm, isolated so that its acidic mixture won't damage the rest of the cell. The cytoplasm also holds every other organelle so that they can work codependently. It also works with the nucleus and mitochondria. The nucleus contains all the genetic code commanding the cell and telling it what to reduce and what each organelle is supposed to do. The mitochondria supply the organelles with energy through ATP production. Ribosomes and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes create proteins that make up the Golgi apparatus, and by conjunction, lysosomes. The rough ER is held by the ribosomes, giving it a bumpy look. The rough ER produces enzymes that go into the lysosome. Why is the lysosome so important, and what if the lysosome stops working? Mutations in the lysosome's enzymes are responsible for more than 30 different human genetic diseases. And if the lysosome were to ever stop working due to these mutations, a condition called lysosomal storage disorder would occur. Anything that needs to be broken down, such as carbs, lipids, proteins, and dead cell parts, remain in the cell and become toxic, damaging the cell. If the disorder is not treated quickly enough, it can potentially lead to death. And here's a joke we found online. And here are the sources that we found. information from. And that is all we have for lysosomes.